Welcome to ClearTask. If you are asking yourself, why can't I log into my Yahoo Mail account? You are in the right place. Today, I will show you a quick and easy method to fix this login problem. First, if you are having trouble logging into the Yahoo Mail app, do not keep trying from the same login page repeatedly. Instead, let us start by clearing the app data. If you are using an Android phone, long press the Yahoo Mail app icon on your home screen. Tap the info button, then scroll down to the storage section and tap Clear Cache, followed by Clear Data. Next, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. Once your connection is confirmed, reopen the Yahoo Mail app and try logging in again. As you do this, double check that your email and password are correct. Many login issues happen simply due to mistyped or wrong credentials. Take your time to type them accurately. If you realize you have forgotten your password or username, do not worry. Just tap the Forgot Password or Forgot Username option on the screen to reset it easily, and that is it. You have now fixed the Yahoo Mail login issue. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe to ClearTask, and turn on the notification bell for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next video.